You can now use Claude Code to autonomously create kids' books that earn $13 per copy on Amazon. Here's the exact workflow. A black and white kids' encyclopedia book is selling 4,800 to 7,900 copies per month on Amazon. At $13.33 royalty per book, that's $64,000 to $105,000 monthly revenue. The book is almost certainly AI generated. And the creator is using Amazon's KDP print-on-demand program. The bottleneck has always been content creation. Writing and illustrating a book takes weeks. AI removes that bottleneck. Claude Code, Anthropic's agentic coding assistant, can now be paired with Hexfield, an AI image generation platform with a built-in Claude agent, to autonomously create book images. The integration takes 5 minutes. No design skills required. No coding beyond copy-pasting commands. Here's how it works. 1. Download and install Claude Code on your computer. 2. Open Hexfield, select the CLI option, choose Claude as the model, and copy the first command. 3. Paste the command into Claude Code. It handles the installation automatically. 4. Authorize access to your Hexfield account via the second command. 5. Install Hexfield's full feature set with the third command. Once installed, you create a new Claude Code chat session and tell it exactly what images to generate. It will autonomously create a batch of images matching your description. You can then compile them into a PDF and upload to KDP. This workflow lowers the barrier to entry for self-publishing. You don't need to be a writer, illustrator, or designer. You don't need to learn complex AI tools. The entire process is guided by Claude Code's natural language interface. The key is niche selection. Kids' educational books are a proven category. Other profitable niches include activity books, coloring books, workbooks, and puzzle books. Research Amazon's bestseller lists in these categories. Look for books with simple formats, black and white, text-heavy, or image-heavy with repetitive layouts. Those are easiest to automate. Common mistakes to avoid: don't skip quality control. AI-generated images may have artifacts. Review before uploading. Don't ignore formatting. KDP has specific requirements for margins, bleed, and resolution. Don't pick oversaturated niches. Look for gaps, topics with high demand but few quality books. Don't expect instant sales.